Let me show you an easy way to change the TikTok cover photo or thumbnail after posting. Depending on the privacy settings of that video and how long it's been published, you might be able to do this, or you might need to change a couple of things. I'll show you how to do it. Now, first, just open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Let's navigate to a specific video. Let's say I want to change the cover photo for this one. I can do that by tapping on the three dots at the very bottom right. And then I'm going to swipe over until I get to Edit Post and tap on that. Now, you might not see Edit Post depending on your privacy settings. You need to have that video set to public for everyone to see. But now I can tap on Cover and I can edit this cover photo to whatever I want. Let's say that is what I want. You can also add various captions and text on here. And then when you're ready to go, let's hit none. You can just hit the save button at the top right and then save. Keep in mind, you can only do this within 7 days of posting that video.